What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Lumsden Motorsports Garage. I'm Wade Lumsden, and I guess if it wasn't for the last minute, nothing would get done. I'm definitely a procrastinator, but I'll tell you about that stuff later. In the meantime, let's get to work. Well, like I said, I procrastinated, but I procrastinated long enough that I was actually able to find the porta power kit that I was wanting to use with the dealio that's in there. So that's the thing. So now I have a complete porta power kit, and we're going to try to use that to straighten out some 4-bar brackets. We only have a week left before Dirt Track Championship. Today is the 2nd, and we race the 8th and the 9th. So, gonna get some stuff on this side torn apart to where we can get into our, I don't know if you can see in there right now, but we're gonna get in here to our bent up 4-bar brackets. You guys have seen that in a whole bunch of other videos, but you also get to see it here in a second. Once I get that stuff off. But other good news, check that out. That's a box with shocks. Box with shocks. Oh yeah. So we got our right front shocks back from TSM. Super stoked to get the right shock put on the race car, plus expanded the what is that, the toolbox for what shocks I had. I didn't have a rough shock before, now I do. So go back and watch the right front shock video. I guess I kind of talked about right front shocks and what I was using and all that happy jazz. So with that being said, what I need to do now is get the door off here so that we can access the bracket, and then we're gonna get this car up in the air a little bit, and so I can get this tire off to be able to get in there and hopefully get that 4-bar bracket straightened out. So this is probably going to take a little while for me. I keep telling you guys that life is coming at me fast and all that other happy stuff. I am actually starting a new job. I finished out my 2 weeks at my past place of employment, and tomorrow is my first day at my new job. So it was a whole lot of getting ready for that and all of that happy stuff, and that's kind of what was a little bit of what was going on. There's still a whole lot of other stuff that was going on as well, which I'll tell you about in later videos, but the most pressing was starting a new job. So yay me, go on to new adventures. So it was good opportunities, and I was lucky enough to be able to jump on it. So anyways, this is probably going to be a mixture between tonight and tomorrow to get you guys some footage and just trying to get some work done. So I think most of the prep work will happen tonight, and most of the real work will happen tomorrow. But yeah, let me get this door and stuff off and get a look at what we're looking at. Alrighty, so here's our bent up bracket that we're going to try to straighten out here a little bit. I'm looking, and right here it looks like there's a little bit of a tear. So Looks like we're going to be straightening it out and probably going back through and making sure that there's no cracked welds. This looks like it's bent down a little bit. I don't know if that's going to straighten itself out when we get there or what, but the goal is to get these straight so that I can actually make some adjustments, hopefully in using the porta power and maybe lots of clamps and all that other happy stuff. We can get this thing straight. So that's the goal. Let's see what we can do. Alrighty, so here they are in all their glory. This is the porta power kit. This one's the automotive body repair kit one, which I pulled this one out of here. I think I'm going to be able to use this in my tight little spot that I have over here. We'll see, but right here, I wonder if you can see what I'm doing here. There's a little bar there, then bracket, and this just kind of fits almost in there, I guess, right there. So probably try to use this to get that kink on the inside there straightened out, and then we'll, like this thing fits kind of there in between as well. Might use that to get that moving along a little bit as well. We'll just have to see what stays solid and stationary and what actually wants to bend back, but yeah, let's give it a shot. Alright, well, I'm really hoping this comes out better than what I think it's going to, but having a hard time finding a good camera angle, so fingers crossed, guys. I hope this is good footage for you. I won't really know until I go to edit it, unfortunately. Alright, so I think the first thing we're going to do is use our little puck first. See what we can get to move out. Well, guys, that's my first attempt there. A little bit better than it was. It's an okay start, I think. If I'm looking at this properly here, I think this needs to be pushed out a little bit. There's still lots of wavy in there, and this is in there. I'm sure this will cave right back in. If I were to take this out, that's wedged in there for right now. We'll call it a stopping point for now because it's getting late. And I start my new job tomorrow, and well, and the camera's about to die. So let's swap over tomorrow right now. Alrighty, guys, it is the next day, and I'm actually exhausted. Today was the first day of the new job, so that was a new, wonderful, fun adventure. And Yeah, it was a really long day too. So that is what it is, I guess, at that point. It is actually 10 o'clock right now. I did mess with the bracket just a little bit more, and we're still not quite where we want to be here, but I don't know. I think what I need to do, there's a little bit of a bend in this bar right here, and it's bent down, so I think I need to get this to come up a little before this bar will finish. This is just kind of sitting in there. Before these plates will finish straightening themselves out. But that is, I mean, relatively a lot better than it was. That is still not what it needs to be. So yeah, right now it is what it is. I do think I'm gonna try to bend that up a little bit, but in doing that, I'm gonna do that later. I think I'm gonna do it when my brother's here, and he can give me a hand, because we might be running the Harbor Freight Porta Power, and then like I mentioned in the other video, previous videos, before I actually got the Porta Power, I might be using the power hydraulics that we use for the bender, that we've used in the tough truck videos, making that roll cage and stuff, both at the same time, to try to get upward motion in this and outward motion in this all at the same time, to try to achieve what we want. And then for grins and giggles, I don't know, if I have time, I might throw a bolt and a spacer kind of in here to help keep that at a distance it should be. We'll see. So not 100% fixed, but we're on the path to getting it fixed, and I'm hoping I can finish it. It is currently Monday. I got to get this posted for you guys tomorrow. So gonna call it quits here. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Any questions, comments, concerns, leave them down below. Hit up the Lumsden Motorsports Facebook page. My brother's not here, so keep the dirty side down, and we will catch you next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.